Hey guys, today we're gonna smash some toilets, and then the reason for that is one, for the Kohler Wellworth Ingenium. The flush is defective and it will not flush right, and I have a 2003 Ingenium that flushes better than that, which is this exact toilet, except better. And I have my 1966 American Standard Cadet, but unfortunately it has some damage. So we're gonna put the videos, like the first part of the video of this toilet flushing, as well as the Cadet, and then we're gonna do some smashing. Alright, let's do some smashing. That's insane! I did not expect to break like that! Well, here goes another toilet. Not as breaky as the other one, but yeah, wow. Good tank. Here's another tank. Not as broken as the other one. Last but not least, the lid. And I just made a perfect shot where the tank was. Would you look at that? Wow. Well, got some cleaning up to do. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. Rest in peace, 2001 Kohler Wellworth Ingenium and 1966 American Standard Cadet. You will be missed. See you guys in the next video. Bye.